right, here we are. This is Star Class Junior Suite Swim Out. We're in building 22109. Ooh. There's the Tony. All right. King size bed. You get a bag, towels. Back this up a little bit. There's your safe. But first, anyway, there's sayings on everything around here. TV, do room service on your TV. Oh, there we go. Tony. Look, let's see what's in there. Oh.
Well, while we're in here, huh?
We need a couple of them for sure. There are snacks. There's a little coffee. Oh, we can't do anything until we drink a beer. There we go. Okay, now we can do a room tour. All right. Yes, Pringles, snacks, coffee. Another closet. Sure, there's probably nothing extra special in there. Oh, some robes, an umbrella. Actually, pretty nice robes. Got some slippers and a steamer. More drawers. Some more sayings. We've got a director's chair set here. You can also buy liquor. Oh, you have to buy it to put it in there, apparently. Does have some Merlot. There's a couch. Looks like we got some champagne. Oh, yep. And it is a pull-out. If you have kids or an extra third guest. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Of course, got the Planet Hollywood light there. There's a door to the bathroom. You've got double vanity sinks. There's some lights here, let's see. I'll turn those on. All right. Got a little sitting in there. The baño. Cool. Let's check out the shower. No idea where the lights are yet. Okay, that's the shower light. Drain is not on. That's cool. You've got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And it is a rain shower. And there's a handle. Looks like you got a scale. I don't know how to. There's all these fancy lights, but not sure how to work them. All right, let's check out the outdoors. A little sitting area, some bird poop on it. You can kind of see your neighbors right here for sure, but your bally bed is more covered. And then this is a swim out. You can hear the pool action over there. Not too bad. A little bit private, but not really. Kinda. Like this is a really weird wasted space right here. All right, y'all, that was the room tour. We're gonna sit here and have a patio beer. Enjoy our new view. Are the amenities. Bar soap, sewing kit, grooming. Stuff is just fun. Do protect your dew. Happy shiny kicks. It's time for your close-up. Case of hair emergency. Butter me up. And still me don't want to. That's cute. Nice. This is our swim out. The water is definitely a little chillier here than in the main pool. Not very big. We're right across from the maze. Like a little maze garden right there.